Empowering you with real advice, no BS from the industry experts. Hi, you're here because you're wondering about how aquatic science is changing the world today and whether you should be taking this course. Hi, I'm Ben Ting, your host, along with Dr. Michelle from the Aquatic Science program in UCSI. What's up, Doctor? First question, let's go.
Of course not. You must remember that aquatic science covers freshwater and marine systems. So you're not just looking at babysitting anything, you also have to take care of the environment that they live in. So taking care of the environment means taking care of the animals that live within the environment as well. And some of the career pathways that you can actually think of in the aquatic science degree would be an aquarist, you could be an assistant to a veterinarian, you could be a seafood quality control person, and if you're interested, for example, in creating underwater documentaries, a degree in aquatic science would be essential. So yeah, you would not just be babysitting fish. No, you don't. There's this misconception that when you work on anything to do with the environment that you are always in the field. But no, there are actually three scenarios here. Number one, you would need to be in the field all the time if you're working on conservation. So if you're looking at the conservation of freshwater dolphins, you would need to go to the rivers all the time to monitor them, to look at their behavior, to see where they breed, to see what they eat. So that means being in the field all the time. Scenario two, if you are working, let's say, on mangrove ecology, so you're looking at mud skippers, for example. So you collect your samples and you bring them back to the lab to study them, which means that you have 50% in the field, 50% in the lab. And third scenario, dry lab, which means that you're in the lab all the time. Dry lab means sitting in front of your computer and studying maybe the molecular structure of pathogenic molecules. So there's no such thing as being in the field all the time. Aquaculture and aquatic science are two completely different things. Aquatic science is the study of aquatic organisms and their environment. Aquaculture, on the other hand, is the rearing of marine or freshwater organisms for the purpose of food. So the reason why aquaculture is very, very important is because our natural source of fish in the ocean is actually running low due to human activities, due to pollution, due to overfishing. Why do we need aquaculture farms? Why do we need people trained in aquaculture? Because we need to eat. You eat fish, I eat fish. So yeah, we need enough people who know how to manage aquaculture farms. Aquaculture is kind of a subdivision under aquatic science. I disagree with this. The way people think of aquatic science is as something that people do in the other countries, I mean Australia, New Zealand, in Europe, but not in Asia. I think we need to stop for a minute and think about where we are. Malaysia is located at the equator. We are surrounded by a body of water and our biodiversity is so high. We have so many species we haven't discovered yet. We need to train our young people to appreciate and to also harness whatever we have in our own land. So that is why this degree was created in the first place, is to empower the young people to take care of the environment, specifically the aquatic environment, to take care of the environment and also to take care of the animals that live in the environment, because it all relates back eventually to us, human beings on Earth.
Now you know what aquatic science is really about. Hope you're empowered by this video. If you have any questions, dial us up via this hotline. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.